Okay, now good morning, everyone. Uh, Tomorrow, as means today, we are going to start with the oral revision test. Means today of geography, I will not go give you written. Tomorrow, I'm going to give you the written of the same chapter, but because just
Tomorrow
as
is class,
tomorrow, yes, what happened tomorrow?
and from day after tomorrow there is exams. So I asked.
Day after tomorrow's exam.
Yes, ma'am. Computer.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Computer exam is there. No problem. If any information about that will be about computer exam, and if any preparation leave will be there, then you'll come to know from the office side. If there is no preparation leave, then we will continue with the geography written lesson number one. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay, ma'am.
today we are going to just discuss the questions or important main important thing is Javan want to know about the map, history lesson number 2 map about socialism in Europe. Clear? That we are going to discuss today. Let me share the screen first. Yes, here it is. What happened? This is not working. These were the questions of half yearly. Uh, Wait, before we start discussing these questions, I want to remind Vardhaman Singh present. Sorry, Vardhaman Jain. Vardhaman Jain. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Vardhaman Jain. I think you have not attempted, means I have observed in your half yearly revision test that you have not attempted map work. Any problem related to map?
मैम वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. Just now I'm going to explain what will be there. And another thing, you have also not marked page number. Page
Yes, ma'am.
number. So whatever pages you are of the answer sheet you are uploading, on each and every page you have to mark the page number at the right side of the corner, top corner. Clear? So these were
Yes,
the
ma'am.
two things which I noticed in your paper, which you have to keep in mind while you attempt half yearly main paper. Clear? First, you have to
Yes,
attempt
ma'am.
map work, both the questions. Second, that page number you have to write at the right side, top corner. Clear? Now
Yes, ma'am.
these were the half yearly means revision test questions. Full course of half yearly was there. Any problem related to these questions? Which group of workers
No,
were
ma'am.
regarded as aristocrats among the workers?
Metal workers.
Yes, metal workers. Then the aristocrats or the monarch governing the elected country. Yes, anybody? You have done the all the answers now? Hello.
मैम सेकंड वाला नहीं आता.
Trisha, you know,
Ma'am, I had written democracy.
the aristocrats or the monarch governing the elected country are not the representative of the. Yes, it can be democracy also.
Ma'am, I had written democracy. I'm not sure it is correct or not.
Anybody else? Anybody else written this answer?
I had written Duma.
Yes, representatives of Duma, the parliament, है ना? Rest, any other problem was there? Here, the narrow channel of the separates the two. Is it true or
True.
false? Yes, it
True.
was true. Then
True.
families reside in Palampur.
450. 450.
450. Then any other now? Gunjan, you know the answer? Any other answer?
Yes, ma'am. Question number 6 would be working capital.
The variety of raw material and money in hand during the process of production is known as
Working capital.
working capital. Anybody else?
Ma'am
Yes,
same.
ma'am. I had to written this.
Okay. Sorry, today my throat has gone.
Ma'am, I have written the working capital too.
Okay. And this was direct questions. Why do we need constitution and discuss the steps taken by Tsar Nicholas? These were the direct questions. Now we come to this map work. Yes, now Vardhaman, you also listen carefully that two maps will be there in half yearly exam paper also. One will be for identification. Clear? In this also, the first one is for identification. In that also, one map will be for identification, in which the question will be there to identify in the map, and in the map A and B will be marked. A, B, C, D, how many means will be there? It will be marked there, and you have to identify there which are these places. And after identifying these places, you have to write down in the answer sheet where you are giving answers of other questions. Vardhaman, is it clear? Now A was what?
Germany.
First, sorry, today I have
Ma'am
bad throat.
Germany.
Turkey.
Yes, central power of First World War marked as A. So here marked as A. Here this is a
Turkey.
wait. See now, is it clear? It was Turkey.
Yes ma'am.
It was Turkey here. This is the shape, and this is Turkey. Clear? And now your B1 question is Allied power of
England.
First World War. Yes, England. Now this is here. The last one at this side. Here two on the top small portions are given. Below that, here this one. This one is England. Clear? So both is clear. This shape in the rectangle form will be Turkey. This will be England. Clear? Now one more thing. Now I am going to ask you in the map only to clarify more. I'll zoom it so that you can see each and every thing. Yes, in this, now here, next, other thing also was marked. Where is Germany in this? Here. This is what?
Germany.
Germany. Clear?
Germany.
You, if you are having your notebook with you and you have
Ma'am,
paste,
near
you have,
Austria.
huh?
Near Austria.
Huh. And if you are having the notebook and the map is pasted with it in it, then you can check it there that this is Germany. And we can remember like this. It is with thumbs up like this. Yes or no? It is like this, na? Thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then it is Germany. Then Austria-Hungary. Austria-Hungary. Where it is Austria-Hungary? Here, just below here. Germany. The small portion. Are you able to see? I am pointing out on that. This, this is Austria-Hungary. So this is also clear. First here, Germany,
Yes, ma'am.
with the thumbs up portion like this, in the shape of thumbs up. Then it is Germany, and below that is the Austria-Hungary. After Austria-Hungary, Turkey, that is Ottoman Empire. I had already explained you like this. It is in the rectangle shape here. Then next, these were the central powers. Next, now allied powers. In allied powers, first you have seen the France. Now where is the France? Yeah, this portion.
I'm just below the England.
Yes, just below England, and here it is. Here what I said?
Germany.
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 Yes, Germany. What I said, how to remember? It was of like thumbs up, है ना?
Thumbs up.
है ना? And here thumbs at one side, which is that France.
France.
Okay,
Ma'am, it looks like star.
star. We can also remember like this, that France is star. Allied powers is in the shape of a star. Allied powers. Clear? So this way you can remember.
Yes.
Next, one more allied power. England. We have already seen this year. This small. All the fingers are out here at the side here like this. So
Yes,
this is.
ma'am.
So this is England. The next, one more allied power, Russia. Russia, where I said? Wait a second. Yes, now you can check. Russia, where? Yeah, this portion.
I'm on the top.
On the top, means here you can see. Who has said Trisha? Now you will remember. Trisha, who is this? Who has written in the chat box? Really, now I will remember. Okay.
Ma'am, it's me, ma'am. Written.
Okay, okay. That is why I'm asking who has written.
Ma'am, it's me.
Okay. Who, Goranshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Name. Okay, fine. So here, Russia, two parts are there. Clear? In these two parts, the smaller part here will be of Russia. And this smaller part only you have to write down. Don't write here. You have to write it down this side. Clear? Next, one more is there. What is that?
America, USA.
America, USA. Where is America, USA? This is separately here given. America, USA, here separately given. This is also the smaller portion at the bottom. Means this is the third portion. Three parts are here. One part, second part, and here this is the third part. Those the center part. Clear? This will be uh, America, USA. And I'm asking you to write down Russia here, because in the next lesson, here we will show former USSR. So here if you will mark Russia, it will be totally wrong. So in this small area, you have to mark Russia. Now this map is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Central powers, three central powers: Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Turkey. So Germany, Austria, Hungary, and here is Austria, Hungary, and Turkey. Clear? And allied powers: France, England, Russia, and USA. That is
USA.
America here. This is Russia here. Now clear this map properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vardhaman. Now you will be able to identify if this type of map will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Central and allied powers. Okay. Now just locate and label any one of the following political on the political map of India. You were able to locate this?
Yes, ma'am. Eastern Ghats.
It was easy. Means anyone you can.
By mistake, I had marked all.
No problem. But first remember that you have to see what is the question, the demand of the question. Then only you have to mark. Clear? So peaks K2. K2 is in on the top in Jammu and Kashmir portion. Clear? This is map of India is not. I have not, because previously only Javan said that world map will be there. Means to be explained. So I had taken world map only. No problem. So K2, peak K2, you remember in Jammu and Kashmir on the top portion it is. Then
Yes,
Eastern
ma'am.
Ghats at the eastern part of India. And then plateaus, Chota Nagpur plateau. Chota Nagpur plateau where?
I'm on the eastern side.
Yes, here in.
I'm near Chota Nag.
Okay. Clear? So these are the very clear distinctions they are given. So anyone you have to mark in the revision test, you were asked to mark any one, but be careful. You have to first read the question carefully, how many they are asking and how many you have to mark. You have to take Vardhaman. For this second map, you have to take another map. Now it is also not particular that the first map for identification will be this only and second map will be for India only. It can be vice versa also. Okay. For India, it can be asked for identification. For this, you can be asked for marking. So it is not such that this type of map will be for only identification, and this we can't say what will come, but we should be prepared. We should know at least that for identification we have to write the answers in the answer sheet after identifying this. And for this second, for labeling and locating or marking, we have to take another map which is at home. I already asked you to purchase the map and keep it at home beforehand only, one India and one world map, so that whenever this type of for location is asked, you will mark in that map, and then you will with other answer sheets you will make PDF of that map also with that other answer sheets, and together you will upload it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else to be explained? Now this year you have to read the passage,
No, ma'am.
and you have to means from the passage only. Thou we cannot say that the answers are there in the passage, but you have to just understand the passage, and you have to because the passage will be from your book only. Then you have to understand the passage and give the answer. Might be the answer will be here, or if not there also, but after understanding the passage you will be able to give the answer of that also. Now should we start with the what, how many minutes are remaining?
Ma'am,
15.
15 minutes.
25 minutes. No, ma'am.
10
15. Yes,
20
ma'am.
10
15.
20 it will be over. So meanwhile now just revision can be done, oral revision can be done of first lesson geography. And if tomorrow we get a chance, we will continue with the written test of geography. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
O-
Yes, ma'am.
okay then. Okay, let me ask from the book only. This oral revision be ready. The textbook questions only I will ask first. Okay. Those who know the answer first speak out your name and then speak the answer. Now you have to choose the correct. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, or Tripura, or
Rajasthan.
Orissa, or Orissa. One more is there.
Ma'am Trisha.
Ha,
Ma'am
Trisha.
Odisha.
Ha, Orissa. Clear? So the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Odisha.
Ma'am,
Rest
Odisha.
Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Tripura, the Tropic of Cancer is passing. Now, the next question. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Group of islands.
Ma'am, Gunjan, Lakshadweep.
Yes, Lakshadweep lie in Arabian Sea. Next, which island countries are our southern neighbors?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Which island countries are our
Ma'am,
southern?
Maldives.
Yes, Maldives, and one more is there. Countries are,
Andaman and Nicobar.
they are
Sri
in the
Lanka.
southeast.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, yes, Sri Lanka. So the countries are
Ma'am,
the
Sri
south.
Lanka.
Ha, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Clear? The island countries are the southern neighbors are the south Sri Lanka and Maldives. And which island group of India lies in the southeast? Jayant, you are giving the answer. Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman
Ma'am,
and
Andaman and Nicobar.
it is in the southeast of India. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now name the countries which are larger than India. Larger than India. The
Ma'am,
countries.
Trisha.
Yes.
Russia, Canada,
Ma'am,
USA,
Trisha.
China,
Ma'am,
Brazil.
Russia, Canada, USA,
Hmm.
China,
Hmm.
Brazil,
Hmm.
Australia.
Yes. Himaram was
Ma'am,
also
all the
speaking.
countries I have spoke 6 countries.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Himaram, you are also giving the answer, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Give.
Ma'am, Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia.
Yes, good. So these are the previously also who gave the answer of the same? Trisha or Goranshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha,
Ma'am, it
yes.
was Trisha.
Ha,
Ma'am,
Trisha.
Trisha.
Ha, Trisha and Himaram both are correct. Clear? Now next question. One short question I will ask you like that only. It is not the textbook question. In which year did Indira Point submerge under water due to tsunami? In which year did Indira Point submerge underwater due to tsunami?
Ma'am, 2004.
2004. Good. It was
Ma'am, 2004.
yes, 2004. Now, next. Achha, the union territories. Can you name all the union territories? Anybody? All the union territories. How many union territories are there?
Ma'am, 7.
7.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now
7.
9. No, ma'am, at this time 9 union territories are there.
But you give me first 7.
But
7.
ma'am, in book 7 are written.
In book 7 are written. It is old book. You first give 7 names of the union territories. Who will give?
Ma'am, Javan.
Jayant.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands,
Yes.
Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Jammu Kashmir, Lakshadweep, Ladakh and Puducherry.
Uh, Anybody else? Means which are the union territories which are given in the book? 7 union territories. Okay, let me tell you. First, Delhi. Clear? Second, Chandigarh. Third, Andaman and Nicobar. Fourth, Lakshadweep. 5,
Daman and Diu.
Daman and Diu. 6, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. And 7, Puducherry. Clear? These were the previous union territories, we can say. Again, I should repeat. Delhi, Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and Puducherry. Clear? Now, before we end the
Yes,
class, the time is running short.
Yes, ma'am.
Please type present in the chat box once again. And for tomorrow, if class will be there, we will continue with the same revision in the written form. Geography lesson number 1. And if any other problem, any other doubt regarding any question, or you can ask me tomorrow. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody type present.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Good day.